Hello all, welcome to Mohansh Technologies. So we have a few videos about the Okta, and Okta is IAM tool I already told. So this is identity access management in cybersecurity, which is following with a few components. IAM follows some components. In the previous class I discussed about IAM. The previous videos you can see IAM have specific features. What are the specific features? Which is going to be having some authentication, authorization authorization authorization, basically the major important part. And one more is user management, user access management user access management, and high security, very high security, very high security related to the organizations data, very high security organization data, very high security, how we can able to manage the users, how we can give the permissions to the applications. That is what actually the IAM related. In the part of this authentication, authorization, user access management, high security, all these things, all IAM features which are going to be following by the Okta. We have the different kind of PingFederate, ping access, and some other CyberArk, 4G Rock, SailPoint, all these things are there. But Okta is very, very famous. Maybe Google is going to be taking over, own this Okta very soon, I think so. By the documentation, by the news, we are going to be checking out. And this Okta is a cloud platform which is going to be have this IAM. At the same time, this is completely working with the SSO, single sign-on, and multi-factor authentication. We know that multi-factor authentication. So in the previous class, some other class, we discussed about the MFA concept, how multi-factor authentication, which is going to be working like a number of layers, security level number of layers. See, one layer of security is username and password. Another layer of security is OTP, something like a mobile message. And one more kind of layer is something like thumb recognition, retina recognition, or voice recognition kind of thing. And this is going to be having single sign-on with one sign in. Automatically, you can able to access all kind of applications, a number of kind of applications. See why this SSO is very, very famous. For example, people want to give the policies in the company. Some new person is going to be joined, and he wants some policies. What the policies, a company policies he want to go with, what kind of applications he has to work on. So now the person is going to be sitting in front of him and explaining the each and every application policy, that policy, this policy. You have to work on this, you have to work on that, you have to work on this application. So end of the day, he can able to access a 10 or 12 applications, right? So that number of applications, different policies, or different usernames, different passwords, we are not giving for him. So we just give him a single sign-on. When the user is going to be login, automatically he can able to access all the applications which are going to be related to that particular project. He's the finance sector, finance related applications he can able to access. He is in a development sector, development related applications he can able to access. He is in a testing sector, testing related application he can able to access. He is in a cloud sector, cloud related applications he can able to access. That is something like a single sign-on. We already discussed about it. Okay, so this Okta is going to be having a highly demand in the market, and which is going to be having a huge number of job openings and a lot of packages which are going to be available for this Okta. Let me explore the Okta documentation, how this Okta is available. People are actually uh, trying to searching for the documentation. They cannot able to open the documentation. This is Okta, developer.okta.com. When you go for this developer.okta.com, just go for Okta docs here. When I open Okta docs, you can able to have Okta identity engine. Okta identity engine. This is a nice documentation. This is the very nice documentation how you people can follow. There are multiple concepts like getting started is there, and upgrade to Okta identity engine, and monitor and reports, director integrated integrations. I already told you in the last class. So what is this Active Directory? What is this LDAP is? Okay, and user management, how we can able to manage the users, and app integrations, and devices, and Okta FastPass, authentication, organization level security, identity governance. Let me show one by one. See, these are the important features actually. Users management. then app integrations, then devices, Okta FastPass, authentication, organization level security, identity governance. Very, very important. Identity governance. This is something like policies. And Okta privileged access. Oh my God, this one is very, very important. Okta privileged access. What is the difference between the normal access and privileged access? Normal access is user access a few kind of application. Privileged access means this privileged access is going to be available only for the higher authorities, like MD level, okay, and CEO level. That kind of persons get access a valuable information about the company, how the company profits or different kind of related high level data they can able to access. Okta privileged access also very, very important. And we are in IAM, we are in Okta or in PingFederate also. This privileged access is very, very important. And there are multiple documentation, multiple concepts which are going to be available. So Mohansh is going to be giving you clarity for each and every topic one by one practically, not theoretically and practically also. A lot of people are actually giving only theoretically in the different kind of organization. We know that. But Mohansh is different. Mohansh, every session is practical session. Theory, explain theory properly and explain practical properly. Then your experience like a fresher or experience like 6 years or 5 years, 7 years, 4 years, no problem in the company. You can able to do your job very easily. No programming here. Only the integrations you have to work on. So that is a what that is a why reason this Okta is getting started. Documents are there and identity threat protections are there and Okta privileged access is there. Can you see there are a number of identity governance is there, Okta device access is there, Okta FastPass is there. These are the major important features in the Okta identity engine. Let me open about the authentication here. If you open the authentication, in authentication, can you see multi-factor authentication, passwordless authentication, Okta policies and rules, passwordless authentication. There are a number of theoretical concepts this documentation is providing you, and you can able to read the documentation very carefully. You can able to understand a lot of things, and how to do practically how to install Okta in your system, and how you can able to work with the Okta auth docs and auth FGA docs, and Okta developer is there. And Okta developer is the very important thing. So how you are going to be managing the users and how you are providing the access and how this LDAP is working, how this AD is working. In the previous class, I explored all these things about the Okta. So those things you have to work on. So the you can contact to Mohansh Technologies. They will provide you uh, the content, whatever the content we are going to be cover for this Okta course, and how we are going to be working with the multi-factor authentication, how to work with a single sign-on, how to go with the user access management, and how to work with end-to-end, how to work with end-to-end Okta related things. One more time, I'm telling there is no coding in Okta, only is integration part. So I hope everybody got understand how this Okta is related to the IAM and SSO MFA and IAM. These are the IAM features. I already explored previous classes. A lot of classes I explored. These are the IAM features basically. Authentication, authorization, and user access management. Very high security. And here there are important two more features. One is SSO. One is MFA, multi-factor authentication. In Okta, I already told you there are two important concepts in Okta, not in other tools. That is something like LDAP and AD. So you're connecting LDAP and AD, right? LDAP and AD. Okay. So AD means Active Directory. LDAP is something like lightweight directory access protocol, and this is going to be always connecting with the ADs and giving the access to the multiple applications with with what single sign-on. With what single sign-on. So that is something like this is something like authentication. LDAP is something like authentication. Okay, so authentication protocol. Authentication protocol. Yes. Come to the Okta jobs. Okay, there are a number of huge number of jobs which are available in the LinkedIn. You can search for the LinkedIn and go for the jobs and search for these keywords. Search for these keywords in the jobs. You will be finding out huge number of jobs in the LinkedIn. You just search. A lot of people are actually looking into the cybersecurity nowadays, and cybersecurity is the number one IT technology in the 2025 in the world. Okay, in cybersecurity, a huge number of modules, 200 plus, but IAM is a top notch. IAM is top notch. Identity access management is top notch now. And you can search in Naukri, and you will be finding huge number of jobs here also. And you can search in Indeed. You will be finding a huge number of jobs again, and you will be finding found it also. You will be finding a huge number of job openings. You just go through this one by one. You can able to understand each and every pin to pin points. I am showing live now. Before you, I am opening this and I'm searching the keyword cybersecurity IAM Okta SSO MFA. If you want me to give the MFA also, multi-factor authentication. MFA is not there. Okay, let me there. That keyword is not available. Okay, you can search like that, and based on the search, you can able to get the jobs. Okay. So if you like the video, please like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel, and please share with your friends also who is not aware of this Mohansh Technologies channel. And Mohansh Technologies website, if you watch, we have only emerging technologies. We don't have different other kind of technology. We have only emerging technologies which have a lot of openings outside in the market related to the cybersecurity. PingFederate, Ping Access, Ping Divanshi, Ruby with AI, full stack Python ML AI, and full stack Marna AI. October 20th, 11 a.m. and 12 p.m. we are going to be starting 2 new batches, 45 days free batches. And in Mohan's Technologies YouTube channel, we are uploading all programming fundamentals free of cost. No need to pay money. All programming fundamentals. Somebody is looking for the programming, and for them, we are actually uploading a lot of free videos. You can just watch the free programming videos. At the same time, full stack Marni AI, full stack Python ML AI, October 20th, 45 days free batches are available. So the group links I will share in the description. You can just go through that. In comment boxes, I will give you that. You can join with the groups or refer with your friends also. And we have emerging technologies like blockchain, AML, KYC, quantum computing, ethical hacking, MuleSoft, and Microsoft Azure Entra ID. Like that, we will be having different courses. Right. Please like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel. Have a good day. See you night. See you. Bye bye. And one more thing. Happy Diwali all.